Ooh la la. Before we get into this video, just look at me looking too good. Oh my goodness, yes. Ooh, make you want to stay tuned, don't it, baby? She fine. Yes, sister. Yes. Look good. Baby, baby. Stop playing. What's up, Gucci gang? It's your girl Gucci V, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back, you already know, with another wig review. Today I will be reviewing this wig right here from Hairspills Hair Company. It is very soft and fluffy. You guys, I don't want to tell too much before I get into the video, but I think y'all can tell already that I'm feeling myself, you guys. I did do a glueless install for this. It's very quick, very easy, very beginner friendly. So if you would like to see how I did it in my honest review of Hairspills wig, make sure you guys stay tuned. But first, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and go stream my album. I said my album. Go stream my album, Guard Your Grill 2. Let's get into it. Okay, let's go ahead and hop into this unbagging of Hairspills. This is a really cute bag. Then I will be able to store my wig in it. Yeah, let's see what goodies you got. Okay. The goodies were limited. Oh, okay, wait, hold on. Ooh, snap, what's that? This is cute. Little hair clip. I'm gonna use that. That's cute. What's this that failed though? Oh, a coupon for your next order at Hairspills. I know that's right. What Sweetie say? I know that's right. Coupon. That's cute. Okay, now let's get into this wigiana though. Okay, it says 20-inch Brazilian, 100% human hair. Let's take it up out of here. Let's take it up out of here. Let's see if my hand gonna get caught on the net, y'all. I mean my nails, because I don't have too many stones on it this time. Okay, ooh. So, this is 20 inch. It is a frontal 13 by 4. It does have the combs, adjustable straps, all of that. I believe, is this deep wave or water wave? I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I forgot whether this was deep wave or water wave, but I will put in the description what it is. It's looking like water wave though. This is really, really soft. Oh, this is really, really soft, y'all. I'm not even, y'all see I can't start running my hands through it. This is really, really soft. The lace does look good. The lace is kind of like brown, but it looks like it'll be very easy for me to blend. Very, very easy. I think I'm actually going to do the putting the makeup on the knots instead of bleaching it. I don't know how I'm going to style her yet, but I will go in and do a little bit of plucking, even though it is pre-plucked. Y'all know me. A little bit of plucking. Let's go. Okay, so I did not do a lot of plucking on this one. That's why I didn't show you guys. It was already pre-plucked very, very good. I've already cleaned with alcohol. I've already added my skin protectant. You guys already know. Ooh, I look weird with my wig pushed back like that. I look popped. Ooh, don't show nobody. But I've already used my skin protectant. You guys already know I do not do an install without that skin protectant. I'm not going to be using glue today. I will be using my L'Oreal Locket. Just because, you guys, I do not want to leave this on for that minute. Well, I mean, I think I am going to leave this on for a few days. But I don't want to, where's my clip? Okay. I don't want to use a, like, strong glue because I have a booking in Houston coming up this weekend, Friday, October 15th. And I know I'm going to have to do a real glue install then. And I just don't like doing like a full glue install back to back like that, because like I told you guys, my skin is really sensitive. So yeah, got it lined up. Boom. So you guys already know the routine. Spray it with the L'Oreal Locket, blow dry it on cool, get it tacky, and then pull it down. So you guys have saw me do that 1,000 times on my channel. So I'm going to speed up that process. So, okay, y'all. So this wig came with pre-cut baby hairs already. They're just kind of long. So all I'm doing is going around the perimeter and kind of like pulling out the baby hairs, or where I want some baby hairs. I don't know what style I'm gonna do, but y'all know I love a lot of baby hairs, so that's for sure. And you guys have saw me do baby hairs a lot, so we can speed this up as well. this is the final look. I did not really do anything but take my edge band off and finger comb this. I flipped my head upside down, finger combed it, and then flipped it back, and I got this big, beautiful wave curl, pretty afro looking. I don't even know how to explain it, but I love it. Like, this is very easy peasy, 1, 2, 3 kind of hair install and hairstyle. Like, you can just pop this on and go. Finger combing, you don't have to do too much at all. Do not need flat irons, anything like that. Like, I didn't even add any water. Well, I added a tiny bit of water like in the middle to make sure the middle wasn't like puffed up too much, and that's all I did, y'all. This is deep wave and not water wave. It's 180 density, 20 inches, you guys. I really love this. This is so soft, so beautiful. I'm in love with this. I'm gonna give this one a 10 out of 10. Hair spells, y'all, fat. The lace was very easy to work with, very easy to install. As you can see, it melted very nicely. I did not bleach the knots. I just added a little bit of foundation on top of the knots, and baby, it is it. What y'all think? Do a little, a little modeling for y'all or whatever. But yes, you guys, I love this wig. If you guys want to purchase this wig, the link will be down low in my description box. You guys, I really love this. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Go stream my album, Guard Your Girl 2. Whew, y'all, I'm loving this. Hair spells, deep wave. It's lit. This is a frontal. I did not use any glue, just hairspray. What? It's lit. Let me know how y'all, is my nipple out a little bit? Let me know how y'all feel about this. This is fat.